Welcome back to Small Town Bonsai and Bonsai Therapy. I happen to be in Puerto Rico right now and it's raining a little bit, but I'm in front of the Coliseum. It's the Rubén Rodríguez Montañez Coliseum, and we're about to go into the 8th National Bonsai Show here in Puerto Rico, and we're going to check it out. I'm going to take a bunch of pictures. We're going to post those for you, and we'll see what we find. All right, I'm going to get out of the rain. And I'm excited. I think we're going to have a blast. All right, I'll keep reporting. As you can see in this event, they also have special presenters. Today they have Sean Smith presenting right there from Pennsylvania, I believe. He's a well-recognized national artist. The whole event is free, which is fascinating. So it's open to the public. Everybody can come in, see the show, see the demos, and learn about the art. They will be bringing Kunio Kobayashi from Japan, directly from Japan. He's going to be teaching some classes and also doing some workshops. Unfortunately, due to weather, the flight got delayed, but he should be here at some point today. This event is magnificent. I really recommend anybody who's interested in it to come check it out. Bonsai in Puerto Rico has nothing to envy the world. They're doing great work here. Right there, you see Sean Smith, famous bonsai artist, and Pedro Morales, just the bonsai artist that brought this event to fruition. So definitely a great event. You gotta see the trees. They're fantastic. And they also have Kunio Kobayashi. He will be here either tonight or tomorrow to do demos also. Straight from Japan, one of the greatest bonsai artists. So it's going to be a fantastic event. All right. I hope you guys like the presentation.